gently, hold it, and then boom, pure under. But check the inside of this pizza. Oh, la, 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 la. My back. Make a jump, this little finger-ling-a-ling potato. Wow guys, welcome back from my studio Iacopelli. Did you see OONI KARU 16 gas option? I just finished dark to cook the pizza. Guys, I wanna go back and show you this open box and review of OONI KARU 16 with gas option. Guys, this video is not being sponsored from OONI. Here is my honest review. I made an amazing pizza. We're gonna see in this video how this oven works with the gas option. I'm excited to see. Let's start from the beginning, from the open box. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I mean, I've been waiting for a long time. I've been thinking to get it or not, but I say for you guys, I'm going to get this oven. So let's go ahead, without losing time, let's go see what's inside this box. But before, guys, help me to reach 1 million subscribers. That's the new goal. So now let's go ahead. Let's see what's inside this box. I can't wait to see what's inside this box. Pizza stone, pizza oven door, manual instruction, the kit for the wood chimney, the door to close the gas and the wood, the protector for the wood, the cup for the hood. Voila! And now it's time for the oven. It's the pizza oven himself. That's it. Done. It's better. The oven came out nothing to do exactly, so we're just gonna build the door. Apparently they really did a really good thing on putting the door, which is it's really helpful, the door. Let's see, boom, the door, it's working. Super easy. Now we just need to put this thing here. This was the unboxing, guys, and this is where it comes out from outside that box. A beautiful, good-looking pizza oven. And also I received the table from the same company, OONI, and then I'm gonna build it and show it to you how it looks like all together. Okay, voila! Woo. And the table, it's fantastic build. Voila, look at this, guys. Nice quality table. Voila, the bricks. See, very easy to build. Now we can put this beast oven on top of here. So, whoa, la, 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 la. Woo, my back. Put it in the center, exactly in the center, this way. A little bit more. Voila, guys. Here we go, the table with the pizza oven. Voila. But today, I have a surprise for you. Voila, guys. So today we are going to use the gas burner. So this review is going to be with gas option. Probably you guys saw already the video that I made with this beast with Mike from Pro Home Cook. I'm gonna put a little images here. Like you can see, it was cooked really well, the pizza. It works also fantastic, but it's a little bit more complicated to use with wood option. Today I'm going to use this oven with the gas option. So let's put this on the side. Let's see what's inside this box. Aha! Look at this. Now I'm gonna tell you what's this for. This thing here is to basically, that's how you use this thing here. Is if the oven doesn't light up by itself, you put a little piece of paper, light up this, and with this stick here, go inside the oven, like that. Go inside the oven, boom, and you light up the oven without any danger. So that's what's this for. Let's save this because you might need it. I like to use the gas option because, guys, this way when you want to make pizza, you boom boom, you go there and make the pizza. So now this is how we do it. Open the thing here, open this. Let's get the wood option out. I put everything under here. This way when I want to use wood, I go ahead and use it with wood. Okay, guys, so now let's put the gas option just like that. Look at this. You stick this thing here, tuck, you block it. Voila. Then you cover up with the lid and bye-bye. Voila. And you cover this up, you can go ahead and put the gas can. So now let's go ahead and let's turn it on the gas option and warm up the oven, because now we're gonna make the pizza. Yoo-hoo-hoo! Oven is on. Make sure to take this cup out, otherwise the heat is gonna block inside the oven. So this is when you use basically when you want to keep the door open and wood option. So what I suggest to you is to keep this open and make sure this thing here is straight towards the up. Otherwise, like this is gonna close. So usually is when you want to keep the oven always on, you keep this on. Close the oven, and we're gonna wait about 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and cook the pizza. So let me get ready. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Ingredients: flour, my jacket. Boom, boom. Oh, it's cold today, so I'm gonna keep my jacket under. Voila, guys. Like you can see, now already I feel like more a chef. Like you can see, the oven is warming up. It's 866, guys. But always we need to measure the stone, so because this is gonna be the temperature inside the oven. So what's important, we need to measure the bottom of the oven, which is it's about 600 Fahrenheit. So I guess that this is good temperature to cook the pizza. But first of all, we're gonna cook this little nice and lovely fingerling potato. So with a little bit of seasoning, voila, extra virgin olive oil. There we go. Mix up everything. Now we can go ahead and cook this little fingerling in the oven, just like that. Close it, and now let's get ready with the other ingredients. We got some pizza dough, lovely. Like you can see, this is 70% hydration. But guys, make sure to check out my YouTube channel. I'm gonna link below in description the recipe for this dough. So this way we focus on the review of this OONI KARU with gas option. Let's check the potato. It's cooking lovely. Wow, already. That's why I like this pizza oven, because you guys can cook. Wow, smells good. You can cook anything easy and fast. Everything with just in the oven. You know what I'm saying? We got some basil. We got some fresh mozzarella. We got some fresh ricotta. Okay, guys. Ooh. Wow, smells so good. The potato, the fingerling potato are ready. Let's put this inside here. Voila. Let's check back the oven. Let's see how hot it is. Here it says 800 Fahrenheit, but now we have about 600 Fahrenheit on the bottom. So let's wait another 10 minutes or so, and then boom, let's make the pizza. Guys, it's time to smash the like, share this video, help me reach 1 million subscribers, and by the end of this 2022, because we just reached 600,000. So thank you so much, everyone. And guys, one important thing is if you want to level up your skill, I have a professional master pizza class online. You can get this course. It's pre-made course, 24 videos, outstanding. It's one course for house, one course for business. Just check it out. The link is below, masterlineclass.pizza, and then you'll become a pizza pro at your house. Let's get back here. The oven now, it says 800. So let's go ahead. Let's make the pizza. It's time to make this pizza. We got some semolina. Boom, boom, boom. I'm very excited to make this pizza for you. Get the dough. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. Take a look. Nice and soft. I get always excited to make this pizza. So in the flour, right there, press the air out. That's it. One more time. Let's keep the air inside the cross. So not really out, but in the cross. So measure your dough with your finger, and then again, one end on the right, one end you pull. Voila, take off all the flour. Again, let's press, let's pull, let's press, let's pull, let's press, let's pull. One shot, two, and voila. Boom, guys, we have Neapolitan pizza. Today we're gonna make a 14 inches pizza because this oven is big, so we're gonna make a big pizza. So we're gonna make base of fresh ricotta, a couple of spoons of those. Voila. Ricotta is made with a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, a little bit of milk. Fresh basil under, just like that. Fresh mozzarella. That's it. Let's put our fingerling potato. So what you want to do here is just press break it a little bit, not too much, break it and just dump it on top of pizza, just like it's raining. This little potato on top, it gets nice and crispy with the flame. So we're gonna go nice and extra here. Do you remember the little seasoning from the potato? Let's go ahead on top. Everywhere on the pizza, even on the crust. Voila, boom, 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 done. Little bit of olive oil everywhere. And now it's ready to go in the oven. Little bit of flour on the peel, ta. Gently hold it and then boom, peel under. Voila, look at this. This peel is 14 inches, it's not 12 inches. So we're gonna make the pizza huge pizza. Let's say finger under and then you make it bigger. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready to go in the oven? I'm ready. So let's go ahead. I'm not gonna edit the time. So here we go. The moment of the truth. Let's see how long it's gonna take. Voila! One shot, close right away, and now let's wait. I'm very excited to test this oven, guys. Again, this oven, this video is not been sponsored from OONI, so I'm just doing everything how it's supposed to be. The truth, no secret. It's cooking. Let me get ready with the okay. I'm waiting that the oven cooks the other side, so it's cooked. Let's go ahead and let's turn it. Oh my god, this dough, it's outstanding. The dough, it's outstanding. But here we are judging the pizza oven, not the dough. So pizza is cooking. I want to lower down the temperature in the oven. This way it doesn't burn the crust because, oops, actually it was low. That's it. First time ever cooking the pizza in this oven. The bottom looks good. Ooh, I'm gonna put a little bit far away from the flame because it's cooking too strong. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Did you see this pizza, Francesco? Woo! Lovely. I'm gonna make it a little bit well done. I'm not done yet, eh? Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, the pizza, 3, 2, 1, the pizza, it's lovely. Outstanding. I mean, let me close it. We got this camera here, fine. Let's go ahead. Let me show you right here. Put it right here. Put it right here. Voila. Take a look of this crust. Oh my gosh. Let's see the bottom now. Let's see the bottom now. Are you there, Francesco? Can you show? How is that? How is that? Tell me, please.
Very good.
Very good, very good. Fantastic, guys. So for this pizza, we're gonna use some special Italian speck. And guys, you can find this at a local store. That's what I did. There we go. Place it on top. Wow, I love speck, guys. It's outstanding. The flavor of the speck, little smoky, little bit of fresh basil, like to give a little bit of color on top. I love to put some parmesan chips on top. Let's open up this, and this is what it's gonna give a nice, good flavor. Grab a little bit on top, and now let's go ahead and let's crash this parmesan on top. We have lovely, outstanding. The pizza is lovely, ready. Smash the like. Let's go. Let's check out the inside of this pizza. Actually, let's cut it out. Let's cut it out. I'm sorry. I mean, how good is this pizza? I mean, probably I know, but check the inside of this pizza. I mean, it's air. It's air. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna give one bite. The bottom of the pizza. It looks a little bit white, but it's cooked. Probably it's gonna stay a little bit more. This one was the first ever pizza. So guys, I wanna see your comment below now. What do you think of this oven? And wait, Wow, the combination of these ingredients are. I'm gonna finish this pizza in a little bit. Come with me, Francesco, come with me. I need your opinion on this. So please, if you wanna see up next, or if you wanna see my channel, a competition between ovens, I wanna know your comment below if you wanna see this competition. OONI KARU 16 gas option compared to the Gosni Dome. So I wanna know, comment below, tell me, you wanna see this competition between these two beast oven? I'm waiting for you. Let's see how many comments we can get, and then maybe up next. So I'll see you next week. Ciao!